Meet the NT-VTOL450, a long-endurance fixed-wing VTOL platform designed for operations where reliability matters most. Combining vertical takeoff and landing with efficient fixed-wing flight, the VTOL450 delivers extended range, endurance, and operational flexibility across challenging environments. But performance isn't just about flying farther. The VTOL450 is engineered for extreme cold weather operations with an integrated anti-icing system. Heated wing leading edges, VTOL motor hubs, propeller blades, rear pusher motor, fuselage heating bay, and anti-icing controller work together to maintain performance in freezing conditions where conventional UAVs struggle. Mission requirements change. The VTOL450 adapts. Operators can equip a wide range of payloads, including EO cameras, EO/IR thermal sensors, and EO/IR systems with integrated laser rangefinders for day, night, and all-weather intelligence gathering. From disaster zone monitoring to long-range pipeline inspections, the platform provides critical situational awareness when it matters most. Its versatility extends even further, supporting ocean surveillance, maritime patrol, search and rescue missions, infrastructure inspection, environmental monitoring, and fish-finding operations from moving vessels. One aircraft, multiple payloads, endless mission possibilities. NT-VTOL450, built for endurance, engineered for extreme environments, ready for the mission ahead.